Here we are with MacNeil Tech, the wash experience, talking about not only how we remove and replace the hub, but how we go ahead and then replace the wrap material as well. Now the first thing you'll notice is that there are holes all over this hub, and these holes give you access to a 9/16 bolt, which then secure the hub itself to the shaft inside. So you'll remove bolts here, and then this whole hub will just lift off and you can replace it should you have any damage come to it. Once you get the new hub replaced back on, you'll simply take our cloth rings and slide them with their channels down the hub assembly like so. You need to make sure that the spacer ring at the very bottom is intact. You do this one by one, trying not to fall behind you. This is a really simple process. It makes changing your cloth and keeping your wash at its highest efficiency really easy. We'll take our cap piece and slide it down. Now that we've finished replacing our EnviroSoft foam, you want to make sure to then adhere the last cap plate, which has a 3/4 inch center bolt and two 11mm side bolts to hold it in place. You'll put the center bolts in to make sure you have a point to move from. And then we just slide in our 11mm bolts. Now that we've got our bolts all tightened back down and our EnviroSoft foam is all ready to go, we're ready to wash some cars.